Ito sa post.
Si Sunny was there.
Yeah.
Yung nag-ano kami, yung kalamansi house.
For this very special private screening of All the Things I Leave You, Patawid. We're so thrilled to finally share this Ilocano series with all of you. Made with a lot of heart, soul, and Ilocos empanada with ketchup daw yun. I am Dennis. I will guide you through this journey. So tonight, we're watching 6 episodes po, which altogether run for about 2 hours and 45 minutes. Yes, it's basically a binge watch, but posh daw siya kasi because it's in a cinema atmosphere. Before anything else, here are some quick house rules to keep the vibe smooth. Phones off or on. Number 4, if you need to step out, go for it. But please, simple lang po tayo, pero huwag kayong mag-cartwheel at sasabihin nyo, baklang ninja ako, kaya pwede akong mag-cartwheel. Okay, number 5, after the last episode, let's hang out and debrief. Feel free to talk to the cast and crew that are present. Pwede natin pong interviewin yung director, yung artista, pwedeng gawin natin sa labas or sa loob. Noted po, okay po tayo sa rules? Thank you po. So let's begin. I'd like to acknowledge the amazing people who made this possible. Page 2. Sorry, malabo mata. We're joined here tonight by some of the wonderful cast and crew behind the series. So when I call your name, feel free to give a wave or dramatic nod or put the tayo sa harapan. Okay, let's start. Our cast. Benedix Ramos. Talagang black and white pa siya. Welcome, Benedix. Dito ka muna, Benedix. May ano tayo, family picture. Next, Justin Paul Basobas. Basobas talaga. Welcome, Justin. Next cast is James Lomahan. Siya ba si James? James? Welcome, James. Okay, next. Sound recordist. Ubridge Ramsey. Come on down! Nasa CR pa siya. O, bilisan ko daw, sabi niya. Sound Safety Officer J.R. Domingo. HMUA Manuel Maharucon. Stylist Mikey Supetran. Script Continuity Mark Ebreo. Si Mark, nakita ko siya. Mark, come on down! Okay, next. Ilocano Language Assistant, Associate Editor, Subtitlist, lahat na. Maxine Joaquin. Miss Universe interpreter din siya ata. Okay. Ay, si Maxine. Location Manager, Mark David Daong. Another subtitlist, Rob Tan! Uy, nagulat daw siya. Production Manager, Jella Colada. Musical Scorer, Glenn Barit. Uy, maraming fanbase. Director of Photography, Steven Evangelio. Nasa shoot siya. Okay, Production Design, Remton Zualosa. Ay, talagang Galing siya sa kainan. Nguya-nguya pa, char. Okay, writers, Jerome Dulin. Seth Arcegono. And writer din si Jade Castro, na tatawagin natin later. Ayan na sila. Uy, twinning. Are you like lovers? Char! Di ba i-out natin? So, joke lang yun. Okay, erase na lang po yung sa edit. Okay, story by Lance D. Collins. Okay, executive producers Joseph Daong and Claire Daong. Producers, the cute Allenberg Ang. Pag-jowa cute talaga. Ba't nilagay yun, no? Another producer, Lance D. Collins. Diba? Twins na sila. Christine De Leon! Matunog ang pangalan niya ngayon. Sumagot kasi ng mga cellphone calls. Okay. And of course, the brilliant mind behind this series, our director, Jade Castro! Nag-beast pa talaga siya para dito. Okay, let's give them all a big round of applause po. And group picture po, group picture. So, Christine, sa gitna ka? Ikaw yung pinakamaliit eh. Wala pong official photographer. Ask your friends na lang, pa-picture po. Tag-tag na lang po lahat. So before we roll the film, let me call the producer, Lance Collins, and direct Jade Castro for a super quick remarks. Super quick. Thank you for the remarks. Now we'll go Char.
Aloha. Kaibaga Rabio Amin. Agaman Kami for being here tonight. Very brief remarks. So this story first came into existence 15 years ago when my Lola died and my grandfather gave me a box of letters that his mother kept. Of the two of them that wrote to each other when they were like 20. The story was refined by the late and great Lilia Mendoza Santiago, who was a longtime University of Philippines professor, retired, and then taught at the University of Hawaii. And as Marx says in the 18th Brumaire, that man makes history, but not of his own choosing, that we make history in the conditions that are given to us. And this is a story about that. And so I hope you enjoy it. And thank you very much to the cast and crew and all of the people who put their labor into this story.
To us, because this is the very first time that almost anybody will see this. So thank you. I hope you enjoy. Bukas na sa Ilocos Norte kami. So some of the cast and crew are there. You're invited. You can come if you want. So yeah. Sige. This is the very first thing that I ever shot after I got out. So last year, okay. Anyway, alam niyo na, you're my friends. So this is the very first thing I shot after I got out of jail. I was unjustly jailed last year. So this project brought me a lot of joy and love, and it continues to this day. So sana po ma-enjoy nyo yung gawa namin with us. Thank you.
Oops, sorry. Galing niyo po. Kinikinig po ako sa inyo. Pagod na po. Thank you po. Congrats po. Nakakakinig po kayong dalawa.
Thank you.
Internal.
Talaga ba?
Oo.
Kahit mahaba?